desktop laser, spot welder, gold and silver jewelry repair, metal welding, hardware processing, surface treatment, factory direct sales, free training, free proofing, input power. 6 kilowatts output power, 200 W main cabinet, laser power, single, water chiller cooling system, 0.6 P, laser generator, xenon lamp, condenser cavity, YAG crystal 7*145. Light focus system, welding focal length 110 millimeters, observation system, microscope 10 times, CCD camera with screen. Customer logo can put inside. Here is Mexico logo, silver and logo, and this machine's 220V, 1 pH, 60 Hz.